best engine ever. Connor and Caitlyn are very fast engines who love to have races as they take passengers back and forth from the mainland.
It looks like I'm going to win today.
We'll see about that.
But then there was trouble.
Oh, no! Phew!
Whoa, nice emergency braking, Caitlyn.
Sorry. I would have pulled out of the way, but I've broken down. I can't move.
That's nothing to be sorry about, Emily. Everybody breaks down sometimes.
What's the hold-up? I'm already behind schedule.
Before you go, Caitlyn, perhaps you could just push me onto that siding up ahead?
Don't worry, Emily. I can switch tracks to get past you.
But just a quick push.
Oh, no, it's fine. I've already done it.
But,
It wasn't very long before Caitlyn came back again.
Oh, hi, Caitlyn. Wait, where are your coaches?
I don't need any coaches. I'm taking you to the steamworks. You didn't think I was going to leave you here stranded, did you? Is that who I think it is, Emily?
It's Connor!
Afternoon, ladies. Looks like I'm gonna win again, Caitlyn.
The race is on!
Wow, Caitlyn! This is fast!
Fast? This isn't fast. But, well, you're a bit heavier than my coaches.
Heavier?
No offense, Emily, but you are a great big steam engine. Like me! Ha-ha! We've got him! He's stopping! Too bad, Connor!
It wasn't long before fast, strong Caitlyn had arrived at the steamworks with poor, broken-down Emily. Emily was very impressed by Caitlyn.
That was great, Caitlyn! You're amazing!
Amazing? Not really. Just built for speed, that's all.
She's so fast, Victor. It was incredible. She must be the best engine ever.
Honestly, Emily, being fast isn't everything.
I know, but Caitlyn looks amazing too. Her shape is so sleek and smooth.
That's just the streamlining. Underneath all that, Caitlyn's just a steam engine, like the rest of us.
Can't the engineers do something to change my shape, Victor?
Why would you want to do that? You're a great engine, Emily, just the way you are.
A few days later, Emily was back at work on the main line again.
Hello, Emily.
Hi, Caitlyn.
Wow, you look as good as new. Did you get repainted?
Just a touch-up. But no matter what they do, I'll never be as amazing as you.
What nonsense. You're a brilliant engine. And you get to pull all sorts of trains, whereas I almost always pull passengers. I wouldn't mind a bit more variety from time to time. Take care now.
Hello, Emily. Emily? What's the matter?
Caitlyn is better than me at everything.
Everything? She can't be better than you at everything.
But she is, Thomas. She really, really is.
Don't be silly, Emily. Be proud of yourself. Lift your shovel high and say, I'm a very special engine and there's no other like me!
But I don't have a shovel. And Caitlyn is better than me at everything.
The other engines knew Emily was unhappy, but they didn't know how to cheer her up again.
Oh, would you like to pull the mail train for me, Emily? That's a fun job.
No thanks, Percy.
I know! You can be my back engine tomorrow. I'm heading up the coast to Islesborough.
Of course, James. Everybody wants to be your back engine.
Then, one day, Emily had to make a delivery to Ulfstead Castle.
Hello, Emily.
Caitlyn, have you broken down?
No, but my driver thought he heard a strange sound, so he's just checking me over. Looks like you're going to beat me on the way back down the hill.
Emily headed back down the steep hill again. But then there was trouble.
Help! Help! My brakes! My brakes have failed! Help! Look out, Emily! I can't stop!
I have to slow her down! Don't worry, Caitlyn! I've got you!
Oh, Emily, you're my hero.
This time it was Caitlyn who had to be taken to the steamworks. And Emily was very proud to be the engine who could take her there.
Oh, this is why I don't do pushing. It always messes up my skirt.
Is that why you didn't push me onto the siding? Because of your skirt?
Yes, sorry about that. I wish I had buffers at the front like you. You were amazing today, Emily. What a brave engine you are.
Everybody breaks down sometimes, Caitlyn.
I'm so lucky to have a friend like you. Thanks for helping me.
And I'm lucky to have a friend like you too.
Pom pom